JP Morgan Chase has included 2 cryptocurrency exchanges, Coinbase and Gemini, as bank customers, and the New York Department of Financial Services has also begun to issue licenses for Bitcoin business, according to a report by Crypto.com. 220 million people worldwide currently use cryptocurrency. The blockchain technology underlying the cryptocurrency is providing a new vision of the financial system, and decentralized finance is the core of this vision. Recently, Metaverse issues have become feverish, and a large number of financial services will be derived in the virtual world of Metaverse, including transactions, lending and insurance. It is expected that decentralized finance will become an important underlying structure for support. If the financial industry can grasp the potential of decentralized finance, make advanced deployment and research and application, it is expected to accelerate the innovation of the financial industry and improve financial efficiency. Introducing more innovative competition. DeFi generally refers to attempts to provide traditional financial services in a decentralized smart contract of the blockchain and without intermediaries, such as banks, insurance companies, brokers, stock exchanges, etc. that traditionally require intermediaries. Financial services run together with and connected to existing financial infrastructure. DeFi is currently one of the largest concentration of funds in the blockchain and cryptocurrencies, and there is currently a phenomenon of contention among 100 schools of thought. The application scope of DeFi is currently under development, and as the scope of DeFi expands day by day, it includes decentralized exchanges, lending, payment, derivatives, asset management, insurance and other financial services that are applied through cryptocurrency. This is another new service parallel to the existing financial system and will introduce more innovative competition to the existing financial market. The mentality of supervisory agencies is different from the past. In the past, most international financial supervisory agencies held a conservative attitude towards cryptocurrency and DeFi, believing that it was just a game in the currency circle and had limited impact on the existing financial system. However, as the DeFi ecosystem continues to expand and more users are used, international regulatory agencies are working hard to change banks' views on cryptocurrencies, believing that these assets can actively promote financial institutions into a new era of innovation and efficiency. For example, the U.S. Office of the Comptroller of the Currency announced that the National Bank and the Federal Reserve Association can now use blockchain and stable currency for payment activities. The purpose is to enable banks to process payment settlements faster without the need for third-party institutions. In essence, OCC classifies blockchain networks as the same category as SWIFT, ACH, and Fedwire, opening the door for decentralized finance to become part of the banking ecosystem. The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation of the United States recently stated that U.S. regulators are assessing that banks can engage in activities involving crypto assets, and emphasized that the establishment of clear supervision is necessary for the crypto asset market to have the opportunity to grow and mature in a responsible manner. The Financial Action Task Force to Prevent Money Laundering also officially released the latest encryption supervision guidelines in October, incorporating new areas such as DeFi, NFT, and DAO. The plan reserves space for the development of DeFi and recommends that countries take appropriate measures and look forward to it in a forward-looking manner. Bank for International Settlements also believes that stablecoins and DeFi are challenging the traditional banking model, calling on central banks around the world to quickly take action in the field of decentralized finance. The banking industry is trying to catch up. For centuries, the traditional banking system has been dominant. However, decentralized finance allows individuals to conduct financial business without intermediaries. Therefore, many banks have realized that if they don't make a difference, they will play a role. The intermediary role of the future will be eroded step by step. Now the banking industry is racing to catch up. Banks hope to turn the crisis into an opportunity to compete and profit from this new world. There are two methods: experimenting with cryptocurrency products and lobbying regulators to formulate rules that are beneficial to banks, while complaining that regulators are not acting quickly enough, believing that their inaction is wasting valuable time for banks to perform competitive tasks. Bank of America filed the most patent applications in banking history, according to the New York Times report. In 2020, Bank of America filed the most patent applications in banking history, mainly patents involving digital payment technology. Bank of America pointed out that they see the potential of blockchain and currently hold more than 160 patents on this technology alone, and in October this year, announced that they would provide cryptocurrency custody services. Goldman Sachs has also recently begun to provide digital asset prices to major clients such as hedge funds on its marquee platform, in preparation for the bank to provide further cryptocurrency transactions in the future. JP Chase responded quickly. In 2019, JPM Coin was created, which is a digital currency linked to the US dollar and runs on the Quorum blockchain technology platform managed by JP Chase. The latest report of the World Economic Forum pointed out that decentralized finance is becoming an available tool for small businesses in developing economies, especially in remittances and small loans. From the perspective of transaction banking, DeFi has the inflexibility to reform existing processes potential. Therefore, the use of DeFi in transactional financial services will not only open up new opportunities for banks, but also help increase the liquidity of SMEs. Due to the unfamiliarity of financial and regulatory agencies with DeFi in the past, many financial institutions have been cautious, and concerns about the security and stability of cryptocurrencies have also hindered banks from entering this field. But instead of worrying about the risks of this technology, banks should look ahead to its potential benefits. Another feasible strategy may be that financial institutions transform DeFi from competitors to partners. In fact, banks can still play a leading role in finance. As long as banks continue to innovate, they will play a necessary role in the trust and security that DeFi urgently needs. Character of the bank's overall adoption of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology can simplify the process. With the continuous development of this new financial ecosystem, it creates important growth momentum for financial institutions that can adapt to and accept these changes.